Hi, my name is Clint Appelhanz. I'm the owner here at Reliant Apparel LLC, and I am wanting to show off a new product that we have added to our website. This is a product designer from a company called ImprintNext. We at Reliant Apparel, we use a customized Shopify site, and we obviously wanted to add to our capabilities, and we landed on this product. We chose this product because it's both easy to start with, yet robust and very intricate when you get into its details and start using all its capabilities. So to demonstrate how easy it is to start with, we will go to a product and hit customize and start designing just like that. Very quick. It's very easy on a desktop and a cell phone. So that's one thing we looked at. So as further demonstration, we'll just add a clip art, move it around a little bit, play with some color changes. Play with the t-shirt color change. All this is controlled by you. Get done. Let's add some text. We'll use the company name there, and then there we go. We designed their own t-shirt. The company is called ImprintNext. We are very happy with our product designer. And to finish this order off, we'll show, first of all, the breakdowns. You can get discounts. You can control all this, your pricing, your decoration pricing, and price, per piece. Very informative. So you get all that. And then let's take this to cart. So you just put your quantities in. Let's see, we have 12 more of these. Why not? And then we go to the checkout. Now this is going to kick back over to our Shopify site. So it's preparing our cart, getting all that stuff together, and it's going to send back, redirect to our cart. And just like that, there's the 24 we wanted for the extra small, and the 12 we wanted for the medium. Calculates all that. We have done all the checking. Everything calculates correctly, and so now you're ready to check out. It's that easy. If you're looking to add to your website and have that design your own t-shirt feature, and you're shopping around, you might want to take a good hard look at ImprintNext. It's a very good company to work with. Their support is great, and it's a great product. So give them a try. Thank you.